Let's discover the art of reading stock charts. This video is especially made for who wants to read any markets and stocks chart without any problem. Candlestick charts are most practical ones for analyzing because it describes the market comprehensively and provides essential details about trades that are so useful for anticipating and predicting markets. Here we have a daily chart of Bitcoin. Each one of these little things are candlesticks, and we call them candlesticks because they look like so much to candles. First step is to know how to read candlestick. Also, I brought you an arbitrary instance from Bitcoin, and we presume that the opening price of market is $30. For example, in 8 p.m. When market is open, the first price of trading was $30, and and we assume that the closing price on that day was $40. So at 8 p.m., the price of trading was $30, and the closing price at 12 a.m. was $40. And also, this is the body of our candlestick. And sometimes maybe there is another price that the traders want to trade on that price. For example, if the price on that day was upper than $40, this will be the highest price, and we call it upper shadow. Upper shadow means that at some specific and given times, traders want to increase the price of that share from one point and level to another, and they want to go higher and higher, but they weren't successful in their mission. And also, if the price of trade on that day was lower than opening price, we call it lowest price, and we illustrate it with a lower shadow. Lower shadow means at some specific times, uh, sellers were stronger than buyers, and they wanted to decrease the price from opening price to a lower point and level, but they couldn't accomplish the mission. And at the end of the day, and when the market was about to close, the closing price wasn't the thing that they have supposed. And also, at some specific times, the highest price is same as closing price. And in this case, there is no upper shadow, and the closing price and the highest price are the same value, and in this case there is no upper shadow and just lower shadow. And in another case, uh, the lowest price and the opening price are the same, and in this case there is no lower shadow and there is just upper shadow. And this means that in this case buyers were stronger in some specific times than sellers, and they wanted to increase the price from one level to another level, but they weren't successful. And also, the color of body is so essential and important in defining and reading the chart. And whenever the body is green, it means that buyers are stronger than sellers. And whenever the body is red, it means that sellers are stronger than buyers. And also, the color of candle body is so essential. If the body is green, it means that the closing price closes at higher point than opening price. And this means that buyers were stronger than sellers, and on that specific day, they were so successful at increasing the price from one level to another level. And on that specific day, everything was green and everything was increasing. And if the body of candle is red, it means that the closing price is lower than opening price, and it means that on that given day, sellers were stronger than buyers, and it means that the price was decreasing on that specific day. And also, there are some types of candles. For example, the long body candle. Let me use my laser point. The long body candle or another candles. At first, the first one is long body candle, and you can see that in this candlestick there is no upper shadow or lower shadow, and the buyers were so stronger than sellers on that day. And you can see that the color of body in the candle is green. It means that the closing price were higher than the opening price. And the second one is the candle, which is the color of body is green, and it means that on that specific day, buyers were stronger than sellers, and we can see that there is a long upper shadow. It means that at some specific times of the day, buyers wanted to increase the price higher and higher, but they couldn't accomplish it, and they were just about to increase it, but at the end of the day, the closing price was lower. And the third one is another candlestick with green body, and also we can see that there is a so long lower shadow, and it means that on the specific time of the day, sellers were stronger than buyers, and they wanted to decrease the price from level to another level, but they weren't successful and they couldn't accomplish it. And the fourth one is it will happen when there is uncertainty in the market, and buyers and sellers are as strong as each other, and no one is stronger than another one. And in this candlestick, there is no body, as you can see. And the fifth one is in this candlestick, the color of body is red, and as you can see, there is a long lower shadow, and it means that at some specific times, sellers were stronger than buyers, and they wanted to decrease the price from a level to another level, but they couldn't accomplish it. And the sixth one is in this candlestick that has a red body. We can see that there's a long upper shadow, and this means that at some specific time, buyers were stronger than sellers, and they wanted to increase the price from level to another level, but they couldn't be successful in their mission. And the seventh one is high momentum or long body candlestick, which is completely red, and it means that on that specific day, sellers were so stronger than buyers, and there is no upper shadow or lower shadow, and it is a certain day of uh, winning of sellers than buyers. And also, this is a chart from Bitcoin, and in chart there are some uh, good features that can be so practical in reading markets. The first feature is the price. And as you can see, price are always located at the right side of the charts, and price are so essential in defining and reading the market. and we can see whenever the price is decreasing or increasing, and we can decide if we want to enter the market or not. Another useful feature is the date of trading, and it mostly locates at the bottom of the chart, and also it shows and illustrates when was the trading. And also another feature and factor which is so essential is the volume of trading. And the green volume means on that day buyers were stronger than sellers, and the red ones mean that on that specific and given day sellers were stronger than buyers. And also volume is so essential for analyzing markets. And also this is overall structure of candlesticks, and the formation direction is from left to right. And as you can see, there are tons of candlesticks, and which of these candlesticks illustrates the specific day of trading. And another feature which is so important and practical is the detail one. It shows the opening, high, low, and the closing price. O means opening price, H means the highest price, and it shows the highest point of upper shadow, and L means lowest price, and it shows the lowest point of lower shadow, and C means the closing price. And also there is a fluctuation after that.